Enigma UFO app. Enigma, what's that in the sky? So you can see here, report drones and UFO sightings. Here you have it. Number one app for UFO sightings. Get alerts for UFO sightings near you. Dive into authentic witness stories. Explore 200,000 sightings around the world. Identify known aerial objects in real time. Listen to fascinating audio sighting stories. Discuss sightings with the community. Spotted UFO. There is an app for that. It's the number one destination for UFO sighting alerts. Every day, thousands of people see something they can't explain in the sky. Since something unusual in the sky, share your UFO sighting story and read accounts from thousands of other witnesses. Explore the map, discover over 200,000 recent and historical UFO sightings around the world on an interactive map. Read crowdsourced witness accounts, watch sighting videos, zoom into your location and find sightings near you and around hot stops like airports, nuclear facilities, and military bases. Find what you're looking for by citing date, time of the day, location, witness count, and duration. Curated top sightings, updated daily. The content feed features most popular videos, alerts, Enigma camera, identify lands. So double click to install. So here you have it, and then you can just open it up, and then let's just see how it works. It's going viral right now, so this is just, and then just skip it. You cannot get notified, and then sign in with Apple or SMS. Have you heard it? So, for example, and then you can see, you can enable push notifications, which is quite cool. So as you can see, that's what people submitted. And then you can also invite a friend. So here, I have been tracking thousands of UFO sightings on the Enigma app and thought you'd be into it. Check it out. So then you just might see it like that. And here you have it. So feel free to use this code. Yeah, quite interesting. So yeah, that's the idea. To view more content, you need to invite more people. Then you can see top places of the sightings. You can see all of the places. Wow, it's pretty cool. And then you can enable the camera. Share your sightings. You can also write about it. You can set up alerts. Pretty cool. And then yeah, settings. Share it with you. You can see all of the details. You can delete your account. So a lot of app to have fun. And then you can just see this. So you can see stuff like that. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. Kind of, that's what you can see. So yeah, something like that.